engineer শাস্ত্র করে Hello friends, my name is Subhajit Mitra and today we are going to discuss about the human genome. So human genome is a genetic inheritance which is belongs to the dynasty genetics. So it is a very basic thing to know. So let's start about the classification of human genome. So human genome is divided into three types. Human genome. Divided into three types. They are coding sequences, intergenic sequences, and parallelial sequences. So coding sequences. Coding sequence. The second one is gene related sequences. And the third one is intergenic sequences. Intergenic sequences. So coding sequences and intergenic sequences does not have any classification. Only the gene-related sequences have 4 types of classified. Okay, so there are pseudogenes. First is divided into 4.
কাউকে পাঠাবে নাকি কাকে
The second one is Jenny Fleming. The third one is Interon. And the fourth one is UTRS. UTR. So I have said that it has no classification, but this is according to the old model. According to new model, it has 2 types that are repeated sequences and others. Okay, so repeated sequences. Repeated sequences. And this one is others. Okay, then repeated sequences are divided into 4 types that are retrospawn, DNS transpawn, and simple repeats and large repeats. Okay, so it is divided into 4. What I have said, retrospawns, the second one is DNA transpawns. DNA transposons. Yes. The third one which I said simple repeats. Simple SIMPLE REPATS. And this one is large repeats. Large. So they have some type of percentages of their presenting. So the presenting their percentage is, this is percentage 1 to 5%. Okay, this is 56%, and this is 62 to 5%. Okay, and then these two are combinedly 10 to 16%. 10 to 16%, and this is 51% and this is 11%. Okay, and this is 24% and this is 1 to 5%. 1 to 5%. And these two things and these two DNAs are combinedly known as transposons. So these are combinedly known as transposons. Okay, so the percentages of this retrospan is 41%, this is 2 to 8%, this is 2 to 8% similar, and this is 5 to 7%. Okay, 41%, 2 to 8%, 2 to 8%, this is 5 to 7%. So this is the full chart of the human genome. So I will read again. So human genome is divided into 3, that are coding sequences, gene-related sequences, and intergenic sequences. So coding sequences does not have any classification according to the new model or to the old model. Okay, and this is have classification according to the new model only. And gene-related sequences are 4 types. That are pseudogenes, genifilament, interon, UTRS, and this is 2 types, that are repeated sequences and others. So repeated sequences has 4 classified, and these two are commonly known as transposons. So transposons are combined, one part is retrospones and this another part is DNA transposons. And the other 2 parts that are beyond this part, which is simple repeats and large repeats. Okay, so this is the full chart of the human genome. We will discuss in brief again in our next video. Okay, so bye, let's go.